Hi guys, today I will be teaching you how to create a wonderful Eid message, Eid greeting message for your best friends on ChatGPT. So basically, as you guys knows that ChatGPT is based on artificial intelligence. So here, when you open the website, which is chat.openai.com, you will see this window. So let's say, for example, I will write down my best friend name as I will just instruct the chat GPT like write for me a wonderful Eid greeting message to my best friend, my best friend Veer. Please also mention my name as engineer Hassan, and I will write down also like PMP and Primavera P6 trainer. Also, I will write down WhatsApp contact like 009 156 69101117. So this is my WhatsApp number. So I have just instructed the chat GPT that write for me a wonderful Eid greeting message to my best friend Tanveer. Please also mention my name as Engineer Hassan, PMP and Primavera P6 trainer. WhatsApp and contact as 0097156691017. So I will just press enter. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT is creating for me a wonderful message based on the command or based on the instructions that I have given to ChatGPT. So you can see, dear Tanveer, as the Eid festival unfold, I find myself thinking of the wonderful moments we have shared together. Your friendship has been a blessing in my life, and I feel privileged to have you as my best friend. May this Eid bring joy, happiness, and prosperity to you and your loved ones. May the blessings of Allah fill your life with peace and contentment. May you continue to spread love, kindness, and compassion wherever you go. On this auspicious occasion, I want you to know that you are always in my thoughts and prayers. I hope our friendship continue to grow stronger with each passing day. Sincerely, Engineer Hassan, PMP and Primavera P6 trainer. WhatsApp and contact at 0097156691017. So you can see here how the ChatGPT have created for me a wonderful message, e-greeting message at the current moment. Basically, ChatGPT is working. Let's say, for example, if the same feed or instruction has been given by one of my another friend, he will receive different message with different wording, with different sentences. So basically, ChatGPT is working on the same moments. He will give you the lines, the sentences, the words, different for everyone, different for everyone. This is really, really, wonderful, and you can see this is really magical things which ChatGPT is giving you. This is really astonishing, and I cannot, think about it that nowadays in 2023, how the AI softwares has or softwares or websites has given us things very simpler and very easy. Even you can create descriptions You can create so many things. You can write down contents. The chat gpt is a content writer for you. So this was one of my small video in order to show you how to use chat gpt for greetings. Thank you so much.